This is kind of cool on recording macros, and this is the part that I think is missing in Google. This will help you with responding to writing and stuff, creating macros that you can use. Now, first, you need this developer tab out like this because that's where it is in this version here, as well as the new ones. And what it allows you to do is just with a mouse click or a keystroke, make repetitive comments or repetitive things in your in documents. And you can put this across all Microsoft stuff, whether it's PowerPoint or Excel. Anyway, I take you back to the boat here, and I want to just show you a couple I've created, then I'll show you how to create one. For example, on this one here, I simply put my mouse here, and I think it's this one, I would say like this, and I just with a mouse click, it puts a comment in there like that I've already pre-made, so I don't have to retype that every time. And then this here, the usage of the word to, I have one for that. I put another icon up here, and it just automatically puts in that comment, not the correct usage of the word. All right, so that's how you can do it. And down here, I want to put a final note. I put one here that said this, and you can apply that to a lot of situations. Or I can put that same thing in a comment also, and here I hit that same icon and get that same comment. So it only records keystrokes, not mouse clicks. And so let's see if we can make one together here. So I'm going to set it right here is where I want it, and I'm going to say this. I have to come to my developer tab. I want to record a macro, and these steps are important. I have a spot over here. I'm going to give you this creating run a macro that takes you through the same thing, but I'm going to show you, and then I'm going to challenge you. Okay, so here I want to this. I'm going to record a macro, and it comes up like this. I'm going to say this is. So I know what it is. I'm going to say sounds. Okay. And if I want, if I want to put two words here, I have to put a little underscore like this. It doesn't like, it doesn't want you to use a space. So then I go like this, and here it is. As soon as you come to the screen like this, and you add it to your quick bar here, and you'll see the ones that I have up here I've already created. But now you can go from here, but you also want to modify it because it's so big. So you can delete all this in front of it. So you just have your word, what it is, and then you want an icon to click on. There is a default one, but maybe you want to pick one here that you will remember what it is, and I'm not sure what to pick here. So I'm just going to take this one, and you see the icon and stuff there, and now it's ready to record. And so I'm going to insert a comment here, and I'm going to say looks this same, but not the same word. Okay, and now I'm going to come back to developer and stop the recording. All right, say for example now I want to put it here also. I simply hit my little icon and it comes in there. And I can put it down here also if I like, hitting my icon. Alright. So whatever it is you want to repetitively put in, it puts in your toolbar up here. The macros are right here now by name. You can delete them, edit them, take them out, whatever you want to do. But that's how you can do it. And let me show you a couple other things here now, and here's where it takes you through what I just took you through. Modify in the buttons, and here a little bit different on the newer ones. And here's what it shows you how to do it with a keyboard shortcut if you'd rather do that, which may be faster. You just hit the keyboard and then tell it which stroke you want, and then how to run it, how to just click on it. And here it tells you how to make it available in all the Microsoft documents by organizing it. and then how to run it button, add a macro to a macro button to the ribbon. So you have one ribbon that you click on that just has all your macros instead of this. So let's see if we can make a ribbon just for that. So like most time, you come over here to File, down here to Options, and I think it's this one. Custom ribbon. I think we can make a new one, I think. Right here, a new tab. And we're going to call this one, I think it'll let me rename that, macros. And I tell it OK. And now what do I want to put in there? Let's see, if I go to this quick access bar. So I go here on my macros, and then I come back to custom ribbon. I was on this here. I come back here. And now I tell it which ones do I want to be. I want to be just my macros. And now in this custom macro, I put all these in there. Okay. Now let's see if we can, here's macros. I thought they would have our regular names, but now you can just, if you're writing, you can just do this. It'll just pop them in there for you. Okay. Customize the ribbon. Oh, I can rename these now if I want. I thought they would. So if you want to make a whole bunch of these, if you want to have a whole bunch of macros, this is what you would do, is make one developer tab just for them. You may never use this, but you might also. Okay, so there, gave me a little better use of it here. Or you can use them off your toolbar here, either way. Alright, so what you're going to do is do this and then do a screenshot of your macros button so I can see that you've got them, and a little demonstration of how they work here, and I hope it's something you can use.